This is the AutoFix 3910, the obd2 detector, the checker for the car, and I bought it. Here is the Bosch one, the Bosch addition coil, and I changed it by myself. Before it was the Delville, I changed it by myself. You can see it's very easy. I also bought the man filter, the air intake filter here. You see here I also changed it. This is BMW f20 118i, and I also brought it on for the Chinese Spark Plug supporting the turbocharger. Here is the air intake. This is not the intake filter, I changed it before. This is the air conditioning filter, AC filter, a Chinese brand. Here is the Spark Plug. Also I bought the SDCX brake pad online from Tmall and Taobao or JD. So I chose the point to install it, and also I bought the brake disc as well, Chinese brand, same day, win here, and also BMW brand and Bosch, made in China, Bosch, and plus this SDCX Chinese brand, same day, this one win here. Also I bought the Lopo engine oil, this Lopo engine oil 5W40, and recognized BMW LL04 as well, OEM guarantee. So that's very great. SP API SP, and because 4,000 something, I need to top up because eating oil so much BMW, and also the fuel addictive. I bought this is with the including PEA. Also bought the catalytic converter cleaner, and this is a catalytic converter cleaner. I also bought it, and free me the fuel additive as well. So this is the BMW. Can see the hood. Under the hood here is those kind of wire. Here is the computer, ECU or DME. Here is the brake fluid something location, and I changed the valve cover from iron, from plastic to here is the aluminum, and also the wheel of the water pump wheel is changing, and the tensioner and the friction tensioner I also changed it. So the wheel I changed it, so now it's rotating. So this is a turbo, and here is the coolant tank. Okay, and those are the AC lights, AC pipes, and here's the ABS system, and here is the filter, the air filter, and also the intake pipe, the big pipe for the turbo, and also those kind of things. Like here is the aluminum. I changed this, so it's very great BMW. You can see a rotating moving for the wheel and the friction tensioner. Very good. Everything works fast, and I just topped up 1 liter of engine oil because 4,000 something here. changAn, Chinese made tire, and Chinese wheel here, same D, brake disc, and also the brake rack SDCX. Okay, here is the BMW, all the Chinese parts. I matched it, so it's very great. It's a perfect match, and also you can see the brake pack, and you can see the back of the trunk. This is the BMW trunk. You can see also okay, this is very great, and with 170 PS horsepower. I think it's very great, and the seat you can lie on it, lie horizontally, so that you can put more things. I think it's very good, very convenient. So this is BMW, and okay, the interior is like that, pretty solid and okay, comfortable and very compact. I think it's usable because just one series, you don't expect too much, but it's good, it's enough. So this is the BMW, the tire, changAn, and the brake disc win here, and plus BMW. Front is BMW. The rear is win here, and brake disc SDCX. Here's the back of the BMW, the Macau car. Macau's car to north, so it's a Macau car. So here is the mainland China, Zhongshan, Shanxiang. So very unique. I'm driving this car in mainland China. So it's very funny. Okay, oh, let me drive, and here is the Samsung. I'm driving and recording this video. You can see horsepower is very good, 170 horsepower, and 8 ZF transmission, 8-speed. So yes, it's a ZF1, the German, and also, you know, all the things are great. Turbocharger, and plus the, you know, electronic system and vendors, so that you can you don't need to have the butterfly, don't need to have the those kind of intake directly using electronic. So the ultimate, the right hand side, so it's very great. And in front of that is it's very good. Here is the sunshine, very good. Okay, peace out for the BMW.